Gamb, yeah, I saw it. Signaled the entrance. Hey, good job, Sergio. Yeah, yesterday I got the signal after the market closed. Where is it at this morning? Hopefully it hasn't gotten away from us already. Well, good. It's even pulled back. All right, I'm going to put that like over here. Could actually have gotten it at 827 even. But the risk is all the way to the bottom there. So 656 to entrance of 830 is fuck, too early for that math. 830 minus 656, $1.74. Okay, I was on the right track because I was thinking $1.50. All right, and shut down that high-speed computer. I need to turn that on. Anthony, are you going to be with us this morning? Yeah, and it sounds like nobody got SPRT this morning. They got it like some small trade. Somebody said they made $440 on it, but I don't know. I didn't train you guys good enough or something, and nobody caught the breakout at 34 to 55, taking profits all along the way. I mean, that would have been a piece of cake. Did anybody get that? Anybody get that break and run? 34 to 56 there? I would be very proud of you. All right, 27 minutes to the market open. Well, yeah, we played it yesterday, but I mean, the pre-market 50 shares at 29 this morning. All right, Tarun, but did you sell all those shares already, or what's up? Should have just now at 45 after it broke down. Oh, you were the one that did the 440. All right, cool. All right, we're going live on TikTok, so be prepared for meme-tard comments. All right, so what we have this morning, what I'm looking at pretty much, yeah, is SPRT. TCAT just broke out at the level of 1186 for 60 cents of risk and is already up 0.5R from there. All right, well, we just missed that one. I alerted to the group SEMI, CEMI. I don't know if anybody got in that. It was for, I think, 20 cents of risk, and it proceeded to do 1R of gain already before pulling back quite a bit, almost an 80% retrace. That's not a sign of strength. Peloton had misinterpreted earnings. Wow, and I think it could bounce back to 120 range today. It's already moving. Interesting. It doesn't happen often. What level to get into SPRT? It's already crapping out at this point. So hard to say. The high breakout, the pre-market high breakout's 55.67. But it just broke pivot at 45 and is crashing. So that kind of needs to create a new set of pivot points from there. All right, TCAT is another one we'll be watching, keeping our eye on. Let me put SPRT on the high-speed setup. And SEMI, CEMI, and also SBET, SBET, and Neuro, N-U-R-O. Neuro is going to be a little bit of a rocky ride. This might be the kind that just grinds up slowly all day, rocky, but it may go up all day. If it breaks 1423 on the market open, you could get in for like $1.50 of risk on Neuro, N-U-R-O. Those are probably our best prospects at the moment. And yeah, Peloton is running. Had a break at 108. That was the point really in which to get it. It's now at 111. RNXT, I think I took a look at it and it's not set up right. I don't know. Maybe it's a merger or nothing going on there, I don't think. Good morning, middle of the map. All right, I'll refresh the market chameleon and let's see. All right, I'll pull up RNXT. Let's see. It's pretty much completely faded already. Went from 7 to 17, and it's all the way back now to 8. Oh, that's an IPO. RNXT. Okay, so it's day 2 IPO. I can't believe that in pre-market. Went to 17 and now back to 8. I mean, it just blew all of its energy already. Okay, well, we'll watch it today in case it retraces some. What's your watch list for the day? So at the moment, SPRT, TCAT. Oh yeah, let me write them out for you here. SEMI, CEMI, SBET, PRFX, Tesla, GSMG. Oops, what happened? Zomedica, SCAC. So far, that's what we got up. All right. Hello, good morning. Nusi? I don't think you want me to check out Nusi, or are you talking about Neuro? New Skin, Nationwide Risk Management Income ETF, Nusi, 7.45% dividend. It's going sideways. Paid out, looks like monthly. Wow, that's pretty great. I like it, but you know, it is at a high right now. Yeah, I'm going to keep that on my list. Add to a watch list. Dividends. Go. All right. Yeah, so I'm going to refresh the market chameleon and we'll see if there's anything new. Popping. And market chameleon's 15 minutes behind. SBET, we have that. TSR. GPS, there's TCAT. T, NNA, that was a merger. Neuro, Semi, RNXT, RFX, BBIG. Check out BBIG. Let's see. BBIG popped from 3 to 3.5. 10% pop into a bag holder range. I don't like the setup. I don't think we should trade it. Is it a good time to get into SPRT? I don't think so. No. That's kind of crapping out right now. It's failed twice, turning around now. It's failed twice, probably going to drop below 40 in a moment here. Yeah, I like Target for a swing, and I like that, Scott. That could work. Is it a good time for Neuro? I think it could be a good time for Neuro, yeah. If you set your stop to 1270 and you get in now at 1330, that's 50 cents of risk. But we're really looking for the break, for the breakout of 1423. It's not as high of a probability until then. However, it's could be worth the risk to get in now on Neuro. All right, we got 17 minutes until the market opens. How is Micron looking? Not good. It's been going down since, it's been topping and going down since February. That's pretty cool. Guy says, if I had gone all in on SPRT a couple of months ago, I'd have $500,000. Yeah, but then you would do it again on something else, and then you'd lose it all. So Costco for a swing. What do you say? Costco? Costco, yeah, it's a good running stock. If TCAP breaks 1234 here, pre-market, get in for 50 cents of risk. TCAT. Correct, RJ. Yep, I'm with you on that. Want to move SPRT profits into something with dividends? Thoughts? Yeah, but get a pen ready. Let me know when you have a pen ready. Say pen ready. Yeah, well, what's the cost to join my trading team? You can come check it out for a whole week for free. So just come in for a whole week for free and then decide whether or not the cost makes sense to you. It makes sense to lots of other people. Sell me this pen. All right, let me know when you have a pen ready and I'll give you a couple dividend stocks. One person in here already. Okay, good. One person in here already gave a pretty good one, a new one that I hadn't been aware of. But the ones I recommend are MTBCP. MTBCP. And FBPRO. FBPRO. And CSSEP. CSSEP. And FOF. And that one that lady just told me, person told me, NUSI. NUSI, that seems pretty good too. NUSI. NUSI. There you go. Got your pen ready as well. You've heard them all, RJ, pretty much. I have those on a giant whiteboard. I have a giant whiteboard with about 300 of my favorite stocks on them, all categorized. That's where I have that. Newt. This little girl survived here on her own for 3 months. Well, why don't you put her in charge? Divvies, Newt, New Tech Business Corp. Okay, I don't necessarily like this stock, this chart. I don't like this chart too much, but let's see. What's the dividend? 9%. It's probably not worth the 9% loss, though. I don't know. Not super in love with that chart, but that does look decent. I'll check it out sometime. I'm going to add it to my list of dividends. I'll watch it. FFC. Would you start screaming if you got 1,000% gain in 5 minutes? Probably not. Probably not. I've been doing this for how many years has it been now? 25 years? I would probably just go buy a car. FFC, Preferred and Income Securities Fund. Okay, that looks a lot better. FFC, and it gives a 7% dividend, month paid out monthly. Okay, cool. I'll add that to the dividend list. What's my favorite car in my collection? My Honda Odyssey. Yeah, you don't become rich buying all kinds of depreciating assets, man. Yeah, I have very little, make a lot, pay very little to live life, and the difference, the savings, is huge. The bigger you can make the difference between what you make and what you spend every month, the sooner you'll be the, wealthy person you want to become. I know, and that's what it would be like. Just go buy a car. Got in at $12, struggle with when to sell. Keep thinking, well, keep climbing. Which one? I don't even know which stock you're talking about now. Talking about SPRT. If so, yeah, I mean, you can sell some. Not everything has to be a binary decision. You have, let's say, 50 shares, sell 5. What difference does it make? Yeah, I like preferreds. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, and I like to get into preferreds below 25 for sure. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. Which one? This one here, FFC? Oh, these ones. NLY. Yeah. PG probably is preferred G class. 6%. I try to keep it above 8%. VNO. L. 5%. I could get my mom to give me 5%. Fuck them. PSA. FPF. 4.92%. Nah. No, I try to stick to preferred shares that give more than 8%. Nah, AMC and GME were hot 3 days ago. Not hot anymore. Ancient history. Maybe in a couple weeks. Right. Yeah, that's true, Ed. That's true. Yeah, that's true. I hear you. So if you can get it at like 22, much better. All right. Well, send me a private message with your list, and I'll add them all to my list, and then they'll be on my watch list, and then I'll wait for them to go down, and there we go. Yeah. Yeah. If I can get them at 22, then I'd be happy. Okay, we've got 8 minutes to the open. Thoughts on ZKIN? Yep. Shit. This is the NASA platform, yes. Thinkorswim. And that's what I tell people, like, don't start on this platform. Everyone's like, oh, what do you use? What do you use? This looks really awesome. Yeah, it's also the hardest to use platform and the most complicated. You should use Webull if you're just starting. Yeah, possibly. GSMG. I think you'd need to at least wait until yesterday's high, 243, just to protect yourself from a false breakout. Matt, talk about GSMG. All right, semi is about to hit your stop. So if anybody got into semi CEMI a little bit ago on the break at 323 for 20 cents, you did need to take profits every 10 cents at 330 and 340 and get out at your break even. But if somehow you're still in it, the stop is 305, basically 305. Definitely a learning curve with toss. I mean, even to this day, I still struggle to use it, and I've used it for 25 years. I've used it since the year 2000. 20, what is that? 21 years. Is B big on watch? No, because it's trading into a congestion area. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Webull first. RGC, I think, there's nothing going on there today. Let's see. Oh, going on with Neo? Wow. I don't know. Why don't you ask the ancient Egyptians? I think that thing has been doing nothing since November of last year. It's going sideways. A waste of time and money. TCAT breakout. There you go. There's the breakout on TCAT. 40 cents of risk, 50 cents of risk on TCAT. It's running 1250, 1260. It's about to hit 1270. And we've got 4 minutes and 40 seconds to the market open. You guys over on TikTok, click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. Is SGOC a buy? No, I don't think so, no. All over the map. It's just something to day trade at this point. Can't invest in a chart like that. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes until the opening bell. Click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. ELYM U breakout coming. Ooh, nice. All right. Oh yeah, it basically triggered yesterday. So GAMB and ELYM, both U breakouts we can go after today. ZOM I don't think is going to trigger today, but if it does, we're ready. It has to hit. It has to break 77 cents. Guys over on TikTok, click the link in my bio so you can come join my trading community. Market opens in 1 minute and 50 seconds. We have a lot more overhead bag holders now on SPRT. They're going to be taking profits all the way up. I mean, not taking profits. They're going to be getting out at break even all the way up. All right, you guys, click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. I'm going to shut down this TikTok in 1 minute when the market opens. 59 seconds. How do you get to the Zoom? Ask over there, over in the Discord. Ask over in the public chat area. All right, here we go. Now, if TCAT breaks 12.9, you can get in for 30 cents of risk. TCAT. There it is. TCAT broke 12.9. 30 cents of risk entry on TCAT. And SPRT is crashing all the way down to 34 now. No trade there. PRFX is starting to come around. If it breaks 370, you can get in for 50 cents of risk. PRFX. Okay, SPRT is halted down. That is correct. It only took